What's up, bag days? This is the reason why you're here, a sneak peek of the fall 2022 lineup. This is just for you. Thank you so much for subscribing, for liking, sharing the love. If you love anything, go ahead and comment down below what you're loving. If you want to, go ahead and get connected with me. All the information's down below. So enough of the chit chat, let's get to it. New home organizer that can be from anywhere from camper to your home, for your hotel room. Think of a large utility tote, but all of this in layers, okay? You have the sink shack, which you put right now it's a little blanket, but now you got little shelves that you can totally use in your hanger, and you can definitely separate. Love it. That's a new one. Here we go. Now we got this new one. Oh, this is the new caddy that we currently have, but they're using it as a diaper caddy. Super cute.